Hello and welcome to Trade and Invest, your go-to source for all things related to business and investment. In this video, we'll be discussing business structures in India. India is a rapidly developing country that offers a plethora of opportunities for businesses of all sizes. However, before you start a business in India, it's crucial to understand the different types of business structures available. The most common types of business structures in India are sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability partnership, LLP, private limited company, PLC, and public limited company, PCL. Let's dive into each of these in detail. Sole proprietorship is the simplest and easiest business structure in India. It is a one-man business and is owned and managed by a single person. The owner is personally responsible for all the debts and obligations of the business. Partnership is a business structure where two or more individuals own and operate the business. The partners share profits and losses, and each partner is responsible for the debts and obligations of the business. LLP is a relatively new business structure in India, and it combines the advantages of both a partnership and a corporation. In LLP, the partners have limited liability, which means their personal assets are not at risk in case of business losses. PLC is a popular business structure in India for businesses that require outside investment. A PLC has limited liability and a separate legal entity. It can issue shares to the public and raise capital. At Trade and Invest, we offer a membership program that gives you access to expert consultants who can provide you with customized solutions for your business needs. In addition to our membership program, we also offer a YouTube channel where we provide valuable insights and information on business and investment in India. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest news and trends in the Indian market. So, if you're looking to start a business in India or expand your existing business, join our membership program at www.tradeandinvest.group and subscribe to our Trade and Invest channel for expert advice and insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.